Who's gonna tell us the stories that our textbooks don't? Tales of love that's stay blurry, 'cause our courses won't ignore the way they're designed to erase the past, to keep good intentions secret, to force a mask. Too many handwritten letters signed to my dearest with love, all pulled from their papers, ripped out as cover-up to disguise endearment as friendly notes. It doesn't take a scholar